Hi everyone, I thought I'd make a short video to explain more about my Skype lessons. I currently offer a 4-lesson package for $179 and a single lesson for $55. The 4-lesson package is obviously better value and you'll achieve a lot more over a few lessons. Before each package begins, I'll discuss over email what you'd like to achieve or work on in these lessons. I also offer my own starting jazz course that I've written, and you can take this over 4 lessons or more. You don't have to be any particular standard before you take this jazz course, and I've designed it for players who previously played styles such as blues, rock and pop, and it really gives you an introduction to playing jazz bass. You'll also learn a bit about what jazz artists to listen to and what standards to play. Studying jazz is particularly good for developing a deeper understanding of music theory and of your instrument. So it's a useful genre to study even if you never intend to play it at gigs. This jazz course is only an option and we can work on whatever you want to in the lessons. Lately I've started teaching via Zoom, which is a different platform to Skype, but I find that the quality is better. So for the lessons, all you'd need to do is to download Zoom, which is free, and then have your bass and an amp ready. I've put a link for Zoom on this webpage or in my video description. I can talk to you beforehand to explain how you work Zoom, or if you prefer we could do a quick test a day or so before the lesson. For the last 25 years I've taught students from absolute beginner to advanced level, so don't worry at all about your standard before taking lessons. We can go any pace that you'd like in the lessons. If you'd like more information about my lessons, then you can fill in the form below on this webpage, or if you're viewing this video on YouTube, it's in the description below the video. There'll be a link there. If you're still unsure about lessons, then why not take a free 15-minute consultation with me and we can have a call and discuss your standard and your level on the bass and what you'd want to achieve in the lessons. Again, if you want that consultation, then fill in the form on the webpage or look in the video description on YouTube. If you're happy to go ahead with Skype lessons, then click on the package that you want, and when I'm notified I'll get in touch with you to arrange the lesson. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon.